Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert room. Today is Friday, September 12th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did in the trading room today. We had 3 trades in the ES today. We had 1 trade in the TF. It's all we needed. Basically, we got short 8:39 Central Standard Time. The price was get you that price there. It was 1986. 1986, and we took that down. 1986, we took that trade down. First major target was 1981. Second major target was 1978 quarter. Okay, when we put our targets, uh, we know that there can be a retracement here. We know that there can be pullbacks, but this is going to give you the most bang for your buck. Get out of most of the trade, hold something at entry to see if it can keep coming down. To be in this trade still, you'd have to have a lot of contracts. Most people were out, but we got short 1986. To start taking profits 1985, 1981, and then 1978.50. Okay, to the tick there. Market came back up, got long in 1983, 1983, or I'm sorry, 1983. We got long, and that was at 9:45 Central Standard Time. Took the market up. That was good for a couple points. Went to entry. Okay, and that stopped us out at entry, so that one made a couple points. And third runner, first target, second target, uh, third runner would have been taken out at entry, so you wouldn't have made any money or lost any money on the second on the last batch. Market came back down. We had to sit through all of this. Talked about this trade here. We actually had what was called an S play going into a ZL. And I said, this is very dangerous. There's no long here. We're going to wait. Actually, you could have went short here if you knew the method. But in the call room, we don't call these advanced trades. Next opportunity to get short in the room. And again, I'm only calling the most conservative trades. Next opportunity would be 1982 quarter, and that would have been at 10:30 Central Standard Time. Again, I said we were going to wait. I said I want quick. I don't want to sit there and have to dingle and dangle in a trade. Last trade of the week, we're going to try to make it a good one, see how far it can go. We did that right on this candle here. We got short right before the room was going to close at 10:50 Central Standard Time. The price was 1980 quarter. 1980 quarter. And we took that trade down. That one went down directly back to the original target here. These targets stay in place, and that was a couple points there. And then we was about almost 2 points, about let's say a point and a half. And before we closed the room, everybody, when it came back down here, said just get out of your trade here because we weren't going to be able to manage the trade any further. Now, obviously, if somebody knew the method, you could clearly see you had the opportunity to get in and you could have taken this all down. Now, remember, I want everybody to understand these lines down here with my targets were here the whole entire time. If you knew the methodology, there was another opportunity to get short right here. Okay. Opportunity to get short was right here. Okay. And it would have taken both targets. This was obviously a lunch. Nobody was here. I took this trade during the lunchtime. And that's all we did. We had 3 possible trades, 3 winners, and that's all. Now in the TF, all you needed was 1 trade. In the TF, we got short here at the same time we got short in the ES. You'll note that that trade went down. The entry price on this trade was about 1165.1. 1165.1 anywhere in here though, and that market went down from 1165.1 to 1150.15 about, and that was about 150 ticks, 150 ticks. Okay, and you can do the math. That's about 24, 25 ES points. Okay, and if the way we manage our trades, you're peeling contracts off along the way. You're never giving anything back, and that would have been actually a beautiful, beautiful trade. Unfortunately, I wish I could say I took it in the TF. Some people in the room did. I actually took the 3 trades in the ES, actually 4 because I stayed during lunch. But 3 during the room and 1 in the TF. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful way to end the week. Please go to www.futurestradingcoach.com if you want to learn more about this methodology, and we'll see you next week.